Mastering prepositions on and at in English directions. Hello learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into an important aspect of conversational English: understanding directional vocabulary. Our focus for this video is the use of on and at with location words. Mastering these prepositions can make a significant difference in your English speaking and comprehension skills. Let's get started. First, let's define what these prepositions mean. In terms of location, at is used to indicate a specific place or position, while on is used to denote something directly above or covering a surface. Example with at: I'm waiting at the corner of the street. Example with on: the bookstore is on Main Street. See how at refers to a specific point, the corner, while on indicates a larger area or route, Main Street. Keep this in mind as we move forward. Now, let's take a deeper look at at. We use at to pinpoint exact locations or places. For example, meet me at the traffic light. He's waiting at the intersection. The cafe is at the roundabout. Each of these sentences specifies an exact point or position. On is a bit different. We use on when referring to streets, avenues, roads, or other transportation routes. Examples include: the shop is on Maple Avenue. They live on the same street. The museum is on the bridge. Remember that on is used when something is located along a route or road, rather than at a specific spot. A common mistake when learning these prepositions is confusing when to use at and when to use on. Remember, use at for specific locations. Use on for routes, roads, or longer stretches of area. Incorrect: the hotel is at Main Street. Correct: the hotel is on Main Street. Incorrect: meet me on the corner. Correct: meet me at the corner. Keep these tips in mind as you navigate using English directions. And that wraps up our lesson on using on and at with location words in English. Remember, at is for specific points, and on is for roads or routes. Practice these in your daily conversations and you'll be a master of English prepositions in no time. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy learning!